Ever wondered what it takes to lead a maintenance team that not only meets but exceeds expectations? Managing a maintenance crew isn't just about fixing things when they break. It's about efficiency, communication, and planning to ensure everything runs like a well-oiled machine. Today, we're diving into the best strategies to turn your maintenance team into a high-performing powerhouse. Welcome back to our channel. If you're responsible for leading a maintenance team, you already know that a smooth operation doesn't happen by accident. It requires strong leadership, effective communication, and strategic planning. So let's break down the key elements of effective maintenance team management and how you can implement these best practices. Understanding the role of a maintenance manager. A maintenance manager is more than just a supervisor. They are the backbone of a well-functioning operation. Their job is to ensure that all systems, equipment, and facilities remain operational and efficient. This means balancing urgent repairs with long-term maintenance plans, managing budgets, and ensuring that the right personnel are in place. But why is this role so crucial? Because a poorly managed maintenance team can lead to increased downtime, higher operational costs, and even safety hazards. A well-managed team, on the other hand, prevents costly breakdowns, keeps facilities running smoothly, and extends the lifespan of critical equipment. Essential skills. To be an effective maintenance manager, you need a combination of technical and soft skills. Technical knowledge. You don't need to know how to do every job, but you do need a solid understanding of the equipment, tools, and processes your team works with. This allows you to make informed decisions and provide guidance when needed. Problem-solving skills. Equipment failures and unexpected issues happen all the time. The ability to analyze a situation, diagnose the problem quickly, and implement a solution is key to keeping operations running. Communication and leadership. A maintenance team can't function well without clear instructions and expectations. As a manager, you need to communicate effectively with your team, upper management, and other departments. Encouraging open dialogue and feedback is also crucial for building trust and improving team performance. Organization and planning. Preventive maintenance is just as important as reactive repairs. Having a well-structured schedule for inspections, servicing, and upgrades can prevent small issues from turning into costly breakdowns. How to build and lead a high-performing maintenance team. A maintenance team is only as strong as its weakest link, which is why hiring, training, and team cohesion are so important. Hire the right people. When building a team, look beyond just technical skills. A great technician also needs to be a team player, adaptable, and able to work under pressure. Make sure new hires align with the culture and expectations of your organization. Provide continuous training. Equipment and technology are always evolving. Investing in ongoing training helps your team stay updated on best practices, safety protocols, and new tools that can improve efficiency. This could be in the form of workshops, certifications, or hands-on training sessions. Encourage collaboration and accountability. A strong team works together, not in silos. Encourage technicians to share knowledge and support one another. Assign clear responsibilities and hold everyone accountable for their work. Regular team meetings can help address challenges, share successes, and foster a sense of teamwork. Implementing effective maintenance strategies. Good maintenance management isn't just about fixing things when they break. It's about preventing problems before they happen. Here's how. Establish a preventive maintenance program. Reactive maintenance, fixing things after they break, leads to downtime and higher costs. Instead, focus on preventive maintenance, where equipment is serviced regularly to prevent failures. This involves creating schedules for inspections, lubrication, parts replacement, and system checks. Use a computerized maintenance management system, CMMS. A CMMS helps track maintenance schedules, work orders, and inventory management in one place. It reduces paperwork, improves efficiency, and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Prioritized safety maintenance work often involves hazardous tasks. Implementing strict safety protocols, providing proper protective equipment, and ensuring compliance with regulations can prevent injuries and accidents. A safe work environment also boosts morale and productivity. Monitoring performance and continuous improvement. The best maintenance teams are always looking for ways to improve. Here's how you can measure success and optimize your operations. Track key performance indicators, KPIs. Metrics like equipment uptime, mean time between failures, MTBF, and maintenance costs help you evaluate your team's performance and identify areas for improvement. Gather feedback from your team. Your technicians are the ones on the ground dealing with maintenance issues daily. Regularly ask for their input on how processes can be improved. A culture of open communication helps in identifying inefficiencies and finding better solutions. Stay up to date with industry trends. Technology is changing the way maintenance teams operate. Whether it's predictive maintenance using IoT sensors or automated reporting tools, staying ahead of industry trends can help your team work smarter, not harder. Managing a maintenance team isn't just about fixing equipment. It's about strategic planning, effective leadership, and continuous improvement. By hiring the right people, implementing a solid maintenance plan, leveraging technology, and prioritizing safety, you can create a team that operates efficiently and keeps your organization running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more expert advice on maintenance management. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.